Month one pays you nothing. And it's the exact reason everyone quits before they even see a dollar in there. But here's what I found when I mapped out exactly what works. Month by month, based on real people who walked away from their jobs. I went deep on this. Reddit threads, YouTube breakdowns, actual case studies of people earning money online right now, not people who just talk about it. And the same gap kept showing up. There are a million videos telling you what to do. Almost nobody tells you when things actually start working. What does month one look like? What about month four? When does the money go from little cute deposit to I just paid my rent with this? That matters, because the number one reason why people fail at making money online isn't because they didn't pick the right method. It's because they expected results on a timeline that doesn't exist, got discouraged at exactly the wrong moment, and quit 3 feet from gold. I see the same pattern everywhere. So let me walk you through what an actual realistic timeline looks like. Fair warning, the first phase is going to sound boring. But if you skip it, you waste the next 6 months chasing the wrong model entirely. I'll also show you the exact month where things start to flip. Most people never get there, mainly because no one told them that it was coming. Months 1 and 2, this is the setup. This is learning. Your income during this phase is flat zero. I know that's not what you wanted to hear, but across every forum, thread, even case study, every breakdown I've gone through from people who built real lasting income online, the message is consistent. The beginning is not about money. It's about building a solid ground instead of quicksand. Sabrina Ramnav, who's built multiple online income streams, has publicly talked about how the service-based business is one of the fastest paths to cash flow. And even she emphasizes learning a skill first and getting your system in place before you start expecting deposits. That lines up with what I keep seeing across dozens of breakdowns. NerdWallet has also pointed to AI-powered content as one of the stronger opportunities, and that's heading into 2026. And even that path requires you to learn the tools, figure out your angle, and set up delivery before any money shows up. So months 1 and 2, you're choosing your model, learning the mechanics, setting up the infrastructure. No, it doesn't pay yet. But this phase is what separates the people who build real income from the people who build 17 different courses and still have nothing to show for it. That's one of the most consistent complaints I've seen in forums. People burn money on courses, ads, and software before they've made a dime. They skip the foundation, then wonder why nothing holds. Now here's where it gets interesting. Months 3 and 4, your first commission start trickling in. Small numbers, maybe $50 here, $100 there. Don't dismiss what's happening. This is the most important phase psychologically. The first real deposit, no matter how small the proof is. Proof the system worked. Proof you aren't wasting your time. And that proof flips a switch in your brain. When you stop second guessing yourself every day and start compounding. Think about it. Most people trying to build income online never reach this point. They quit during months 1 and 2 when nothing was happening and assumed nothing will ever. But the ones who push through to see month 3, they see their first commission. Those are the ones who stick. And sticking is the whole game. I read through dozens of threads from people in digital marketing, affiliate marketing, freelance. The pattern is almost always the same. Slow, slow, slow. Then a small result creates momentum. Then things build faster than expected. That sequence shows up so consistently across independent accounts that it's hard to ignore. These aren't people promoting a course or selling a program. They're just documenting what happened to them. And they keep describing the same arc. Which brings me to the phase no one talks about. Months 5 through 8. This is where the work you already did starts paying you again and again and again. That blog post you wrote 3 months ago, still getting traffic. That funnel you set up 2 months ago, still converting. The video you recorded 6 weeks ago, people are still finding it. This is the moment your Tuesday morning starts feeling different than everyone else's. They're sitting in traffic, dreading a meeting, watching the clock. You're waking up to notifications of money that came in while you were asleep. Not life-changing money yet, but consistent money, growing money, money that doesn't require you to trade another hour for $1. Digital products are a clear reason of why this works. One item you can sell over and over without any additional effort. on your end each time. Affiliate marketing operates the same way. Once you have search traffic and an audience that trusts you, the leverage builds on itself, and that's when the math changes completely. The income stops feeling like something you chase and starts feeling like something that follows you. Months 9 to 12. This is the phase where your online income matches or passes your paycheck. I want to be honest with you here. Not everyone hits this in 12 months. Some get there in 8, some take 14. The timeline depends on the model you choose, how consistent you are, and whether you built on a system that compounds over time or one that resets to 0 every month. But the people who follow the real timeline, who didn't quit in month 2, who let the income stack, this is where they get to do the thing they've been daydreaming about for years. They write that resignation letter. Not, I hope I can quit someday. They hand it in. That's a real moment that real people reach when they stop chasing shortcut and start following the timeline. That reflects how online income actually works. By the way, if you want that compounding timeline without having to piece everything together yourself, there's a done for you system at www.relaxingmoney.com that pays you $128 per customer or more while handling the selling for you. And you can find everything you need to know in the description below.